Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something truly innovative, how tiny structures inside our cells, called mitochondria, might hold the key to curing diabetes. Yeah, you heard that right. It's not just about sugar or insulin, it's about our cells' powerhouses. You might wonder, what are mitochondria, and what do they have to do with diabetes? Well, that's exactly what we're going to uncover today. So, grab a snack, preferably a healthy one, and let's jump right in. First things first, what are mitochondria? They're known as the powerhouses of our cells because they produce the energy that every cell needs to function. Think of them as tiny batteries that keep our bodies running. But there's more to them than just making energy. Researchers have discovered that these little guys also play a big role in controlling the fate of our cells. And this is where things get interesting. You see, diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes, is a condition where your body can't produce enough insulin or can't use it properly. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body control blood sugar levels. When this process doesn't work, sugar builds up in the blood, leading to diabetes. But why does this happen? Researchers have found that the mitochondria in insulin-producing cells, called pancreatic beta cells, don't work right in people with diabetes. In other words, these powerhouses lose their charge. Scientists at the University of Michigan decided to dig deeper into this problem. They wanted to understand why these mitochondria malfunctioned and how this affected the beta cell's ability to produce insulin. They found that when the mitochondria were damaged, the beta cells became immature. Imagine them acting like rookie workers who didn't know how to do their job properly. These immature beta cells couldn't make enough insulin and eventually stopped functioning as insulin producers. Whoa! That's like the engine of your car breaking down, and suddenly, your car can't move. The researchers discovered that the mitochondria actually send signals to the cell's nucleus, which changes the identity of the beta cells. It's like flipping a switch that turns off their insulin-making ability. And guess what? This problem isn't just limited to pancreatic beta cells. The researchers looked at other cells affected by diabetes, like liver cells and fat-storing cells. They found the same issue, damaged mitochondria causing the cells to malfunction. This was a huge discovery because diabetes isn't just about high blood sugar. It's a multisystem disease. It affects your weight, liver, muscles, and more. So, if we can fix the mitochondria in these cells, we could potentially fix diabetes altogether. The researchers didn't just stop at finding the problem. They also looked for a solution. They used a drug called Isarib that blocked the stress response triggered by the damaged mitochondria. After 4 weeks of treatment, the beta cells in the mice regained their ability to control glucose levels. The cells were back to doing their job like pros. This suggests that reversing mitochondrial damage could actually cure diabetes. This is huge. It means that instead of just managing diabetes, we might be able to cure it at the cellular level. Imagine a world where insulin shots are a thing of the past. Pretty amazing, right? But before we get too excited, it's important to note that these results are still in the early stages. The researchers are now working to test this in human cells. But the potential is there, and it's looking really promising. Now, you might be thinking, that's great for the future, but what can I do now to control diabetes? Good question. Here are some tips to manage and possibly prevent type 2 diabetes. First, eat a balanced diet, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps your body use insulin more effectively. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like walking or biking, 5 days a week. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can improve your blood sugar control. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body function at its best. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can affect your blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood sugar levels. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular checkups. Keep up with doctor visits to monitor your blood sugar levels and overall health. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about how your body works, the better you can take care of it. And who knows? With these new discoveries about mitochondria, we might see a diabetes cure sooner than we think. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of mitochondria and diabetes. If you have any questions or want to learn more about other topics, drop a comment below. See you in the next video. And, of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our exciting science discoveries and motivational content.